Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming compatibility and power. Check the accessory model and the host's supported list because mismatch is the most common cause. Next, inspect the cable and port for dirt or bent pins. A bad cable often looks fine. Once done, power cycle both the accessory and the host. Turn off, wait 10 seconds, then on, so you clear transient errors. Make sure the accessory has its own power if required, and proceed to connectivity tests. You now dig into system-level causes. Run built-in diagnostics or view the system report to capture any error codes. These tell you where to focus. Then update firmware, device drivers, and the operating system. Outdated software often rejects supported accessories. After updates, verify permission settings and profiles so the accessory is allowed to connect. If you see an error code, search its meaning in the system's logs and note steps before moving to reinstallation or alternate host testing. You finish by reinstalling and isolating. Uninstall the accessory's driver or companion app, then reinstall the latest version and reboot so changes take effect. Once done, test the accessory on a different host to determine whether the issue is the accessory or the original system. If it still reports accessory not supported, perform a factory reset on the accessory, only after backing up settings, and retry. Troubleshooting tip: if behavior
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.